Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your search engine on the Google Chrome app. As you can see, the current search engine on my browser is Bing. We need to change that ASAP. Tap on the menu button of Chrome at the top right of the screen and then tap on Settings. Here on the Settings page, tap on the Search Engine button. Here you can choose between the most popular search engines, Google being the best one and the one we are most familiar with. Select whichever one you want and the changes will take effect immediately. As you can see, the search results are now displayed from Google. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.